What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to receive a notification just like this one on your email if some administrative or any login happens on your site. Imagine that some admin logged in on your site and you gonna receive on your email this email telling you from where, when, what people. So this is very important for security and to have control of who is entering and accessing your site. How to do this is what we're going to learn in this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. Go to our WordPress dashboard to get things started. To access dashboard, into the browser address bar, enter your domain plus wp-admin, enter with login credentials, user and password, review left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and hit the submenu Add Plugin. Into the upper right corner of our screen, into search plugins, you're gonna click and type simple login notification, just like this. And here is the guy that I'm looking for, by Jeff. Thanks Jeff for the plugin. Click on install now. Click on activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. Review the left sidebar of menus on your WordPress dashboard, hover mouse over settings, and you're gonna be able to find login notification options, okay? And right here, you can use rules, okay? For example, you can select all to receive notifications on your site admin email or on any email that you list right here. Okay, you can enter a new email, for example, your personal email to receive these notifications. If some admin login, editor, author, contributor, subscriber, customer, shop manager, up to you. I recommend that you keep this enabled for admin, editors and authors, okay? Persons that can control your site, that can create posts, edit things, change pages, okay? Important and most powerful user rules, okay? You can enter personal emails right here, separate by comma. You can exclude IPs and exclude users, okay? And you can default address, send notification to extra emails only. Do not send to administrative email, up to you, okay? You can enable this and after hit the button to save changes. If you do not receive the emails, check if you have an SMTP connection, if your WordPress website can actually send emails, okay? Because some hosts auto blocks it and you need to install some plugin to fix. Normally the plugin is an SMTP. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.